How to write a review on Amazon. Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can write a review on Amazon. So kindly watch to the end. What do you do first? Alright, the first thing to do is to log in into your Amazon account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you will be brought to the Amazon home page. On this page, at the top left corner, you'll see the Amazon logo. Next to it, you'll see the delivery section, you'll see the search bar. And by the time you move to the right side, you'll see other functions as well. So once you can see all of this, and then you can see the different products that you can see. The next step is to go to your order detail page by going to the top part of the screen and clicking on returns and orders. So once you click on that, you will brought to the page where you would see your orders, right? And here you will see the list of the orders you've made for the past 3 months on Amazon. So the next step is to select the order that you would like to review. After selecting the order you'd like to review, you'll be taken to another page. On this page, you'll see several options. And ensure you go to the customer review section and then write your review. And then you can also put your opinions in star rating, either from 1 to 5. And you can decide to add a photo, a video with your text. After that, click on submit. And then the review will be sent to the seller. It is that simple, all right? This is basically how you can write a review on Amazon. Just go through this, select the order, go to another page, select customer reviews, and go ahead and give your review. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.